I just wanted to ask you a little bit about how you're using Portable XRF. So what's your name, your company, and your position?
Yeah, my name's Gordon Walker. I'm with ALS Geochemistry, part of ALS Minerals. So we operate geochemical laboratories, and our region is Europe, Middle East, North Africa, also Russia, Central Asia. So we have 18 labs in our region.
And what's your background?
My background, I'm Canadian. I've been in the mining industry all my life. I started in mine control labs in the Northwest Territories in Canada, and eventually moved to commercial labs in Toronto, and then I've been based in Europe since 1991.
Okay, and how have you been, what's been your exposure or experiences with portable XRFs?
Well, this is something that our lab has been looking at for the last couple of years, and we, as with any new method, we do extensive test work with available technologies. So our research group in Vancouver tested all of the portable XRFs on the market. Most people know the name brands. Olympus is one, and we found that the Olympus model was the best, and we actually selected a certain model of that to use it in a laboratory environment.
So I believe you've got a few of our instruments now. Recently using it in Europe.
Yes, we've been rolling it out in different in all of the different regions. We just got our first one in Europe, and we're using it. The first client, it's a mine where we have a mine control lab, and we're taking grade control samples. And what they wanted was just a quick number on silica. And the reason for that is because they have high silica and low silica ores, and they're noticing when they have the high silica ores, it really affects their slurry pipelines. So they just want a quick number. They can't afford a full assay for silica, whole rock analysis, for example. So the PXRF, it's fit for purpose. So they've been very happy with it. We've only been doing it the last couple of months, and it's been working very well.
And used in this way, how quickly do you think it'll pay for itself?
I think, really quickly, because it's grade control samples, and so the grade control samples almost every day on the order of 50 to 125, 5 or 6 days a week. So it'll pay for itself quite quickly. Certainly, I would say within a year or so.
Oh, that's a good story.
Then we have that, and then there are other clients who'd be interested in other types of analyses as well.
I know you were advertising it down in Turkey through a seminar you did down there recently.
That's right, a seminar in Ankara in the fall, in the northern fall. So it was very well attended. We had about 100 people there, and that's one of the new technologies we're offering.
Good to see you, mate, and keep in touch. I'll see you around.
All right, Todd. Good to see you again.
Thanks,
okay.
Cheers.